Hey guys, we're about to leave in a few minutes. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Shotgun.
Oi! You guys come in.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. Fuck you. Bitch. Touch me. I fucking hate you. Whoa. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Okay, let me focus. Yeah. Got it.
I'm not sure.
When y'all ready, this is the shot where you spill that coffee.
Right after this plane goes past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I stopped laughing.
3, 2, 1. Son of a bitch.
Stop it,
Son of a
Rogan.
bitch, man.
Don't count it. The minute you count, I'm like, alright,
Yeah.
I can't laugh in
But-
3.
So,
I gotta know when you guys are gonna move so I can get that shot at the table.
That's true.
Yeah. The hell's happening here? So what's your action gonna look like, Mitch?
yeah.
You looked a bit drunk.
Well, you know.
He
Let's
got
do it
knocked
again.
real hard, man.
Yeah.
I got a good right cross.